Hi everyone, Dean at Sirius Software. I want to talk to you a little bit today about pricing a sign cabinet, no matter if you're building it from raw materials or building it from an extrusion. It's a really simple interface which allows you to put in a height, a width, specify the depth, and it'll provide a complete bill of materials from labor, material, and equipment. Let's take a look. From within this entry screen, let's pick a cabinet type. You'll notice there's two primary. Either stick built or fabricated from extrusion. Let's pick the double-sided custom sign. We'll then pick our quantity, our height, our width, our depth, and then of course the cabinet type will be fabricated out of aluminum. Now you can simply change these if you're skinning this with something else like an 063 or an 080 or whatever that material may be. Just change it. It would default to the one that you predominantly use. Let's jump ahead for a minute and let's look at this parts tab. With the few simple strokes that we've entered in before, the height, the width, the depth, and selecting the materials, it's already building a bill of materials listing consisting of labor and material. You have your braking, your welding, your riveting, your cutting, and then of course the material, which is aluminum, and the angle iron, which we're going to fabricate the frame with, and giving us an estimated usage. Back over at the entry screen, we can then pick the lamping. What type of lamps will we put in this cabinet? It'll then give us the default lamp quantity. Of course, this could be overridden. Let's say in this example we needed to have this 6 instead of 4. We can then pick the ballast that we're going to use for this item. And then of course the quantity. Now let's add some painting. What is your primary paint type? And then of course the color. You can either type this in or have these preset. It's going to give you your paint area that you're going to be covering. Now we need to pick a face. In this example we can either put a rigid face on vinyl, direct print, a flex face, a digital flex face, or either in push through letters. Let's go with the cut vinyl sign face. From within the cut vinyl entry screen, we'll simply pick the quantity, the height, the width, the text that we're going to put on the face, the material that we're applying it to, which is an acrylic 3/16, and then of course the translucent vinyl, and then the color of that is blue. If you need additional colors, simply add. Now let's take a look at the part screen again. A few simple keystrokes. We've added the sign cabinet, the face, the lamping, the painting, and within a few seconds we have a complete bill of materials list from assembly labor to cutting labor to the aluminum to the lamping to the ballast to the paint to the weed and apply labor, the application tape, the acrylic sheets. And if you look right here in this column, you will see an estimated cost. This is the total cost that it's going to cost us to produce this item. Over here to the left, we get a breakdown. What is the total cost of this project? What are we selling it at? Giving us our true margin on the project. Thanks for taking a minute to watch this video. I'm sure that you'll agree that it's very quick, easy, and fast to price out a sign cabinet in Sirius, giving you a complete bill of materials with your true labor, material, and equipment cost.